sister? Very good. Very good. Yes. And the other person who raised up the hand? Mm-hmm. So what is marriage?
Marriage is when a man and a woman,
Mm.
a man and a man, or a woman and a woman get together
Mm-hmm.
and they, after showing love to each other,
Mm-hmm.
they decide to settle down and start their own family.
Okay, thank you. That is the modern definition whereby a man and a man are marrying, a woman and a woman. Where? But in Christianity, yeah, I just asked in general, which is okay, because that is the modern way, right? They keep on correcting. I think the homosexuals keep on correcting us. They're using those words there. I don't know what. I do not understand. But in a Christian way, generally, you just say it is a union, it's a mutual union between a what? A man and a woman. That is marriage. Because now, even if you have a man and a man, you cannot give birth. And the main thing in marriage is giving birth. Yes. To procreate. Why are you emphasizing on it? So reasons why people marry. Why do people marry? Because is it 95 of the class will marry? So why are the reasons why are the reasons? Give me the reasons that will make you marry. Why do you want to marry when you grow up? Sorry? Yes. Another reason, Anthony. Yes, why will you get married? To have family of your own. Why? Now when you are at your parents' place, you don't have a family. That is not your family. So you want your own. Why now? Oh, very good. He doesn't want to live alone in this world. Very good. To have sex. Yes. True. Why are you laughing? It's true. Because only in marriage you're supposed to do what? Yes, only in marriage you can have sex. True. Actually, all of them. It's only because they're looking at you. All of them. That is the main thing. Yes. That is, you step from the youth and being an adult. When you grow up and you're 35, you're not an adult. Only marriage can show that you're an adult. No, I'm just asking. It's not only marriage which can show, but that is part of getting married, which is true. Your point is true, I'm just challenging it. It's true. To provide experience. Which experience is this? Sexual experience. Oh God. Another reason for marrying. Yes, you have a point. To refrain from sexual what? Immorality. Yes, because there you are allowed to do what? To freely engage in sexual matters. But if you are not married, you cannot engage in them. Those are the only reasons. So the first reason why people marry, of course, as you've said, is because that is the only place where you can have what? Children. So in order to do what? To procreate. People also marry for companionship, to get a partner. Companion. If you have a companion, when you have issues, you tell them. If you do something to a woman who's married, hey, I'm going to tell my husband. I will tell my husband. Even the husband comes to see you. Tell you, what were you doing to my wife? Yes. For what? For security. Security. You have that security. If you're not married, you don't have that security. Everyone can talk to you. and tell you they want you. No one. But when you're married, you're in safe. Everyone is scared of talking to you because of your husband. You're also secure in that if you have any kind of wealth, no one can touch it. Especially your own people, your own relatives, right? Look at those families whereby the husband has passed on and then all their wealth is taken by the what? The relatives. So you have what? Security. When you get married, there are jobs you cannot do without getting married. You cannot be celibate and get these jobs. You have to do what? You have first to say that you're in a what? You're married so that you can, because of that status of marriage, you're able to get that job. For example, which kind of job? That you cannot be able to get without getting married. Which one? Because you are laughing and you're not mentioning. It is good for that status. It gives you status so that you can be able to get some of the job. Can you be a pastor without getting married? All the life that you are a pastor. There are pastors who are not married. Until they die. We are not talking about priests. We are talking about pastors. I've never seen any. I've never seen any. I've never seen any. I don't know why I've never seen any. Can you be in the Catholic Church? Can you be the C.R.E chairman and you're not married? Let's start. There are those. It gives you that status. Can you be? Tell me of in your church, in your Catholic church, whereby you are the C.R.E chairperson and you are not married, or the C.W.A, or the Women's Guild. That's what you have. None. They go hand in hand with you getting married. Also, there is happiness in marriage. That's why people, there is happiness. You get married today, you see, you keep on doing your laundry. There's someone to do everything. Everything. Yes? Your work is just sitting down. You wait for the food. Yes? Everything when you're sitting down. It's done for you. Actually, the women are on the what? They are disadvantaged a lot. You just have to be submissive and you're ready to work like a donkey. That's all. Then you are called. In the African setting now, when we're talking about marriage, most men get married because they cannot be able to take care of themselves. Yes. After a while, when you're older now, when now you're working, you'll hear your parents tell you, marry someone. Or your mom keeps on doing your laundry, they tell you, it's time you marry someone. Or some of you, most of the boys marry because, or most of the men, because they're jealous of their father. He's being done for everything. I wanted to give you an example of, I don't want to go personal, of someone I know somewhere. They were in business together with their father. And they're supposed to wake up every day at 5 and go to work. And then always the father is always ready before the what? The boy, the son is always ready. And then when the mother asks, why have you not woken up? Why have you not done this and this? Daddy has been done for everything. Which is true, right? Which is true. So that is another reason why people marry. But today, we don't have to say women are working like donkeys. All you have to do is make sure you have a church wedding. Make sure you already have good friends. During the wedding day, they get for you what? A washing machine, right? They get you a cooker, yes? So that now when you start your what? You start doing your job, now you can employ what? A house what? A house manager. The work of the house manager is not to cook for the husband, no. To go buy the meat and bring it and cut it. Wait for me. Go buy tomatoes, cut them and wait for me. I'll do the cooking. You've already cut everything. That is your work. Go sit and wait, yes? I will put the everything in the washing machine and there's a dryer there next. What else is remaining? Nothing. You don't have to iron clothes. All you have to do is get what? Get a what? Let's continue. So also marriage is to provide happiness, and also to get, as most of you say, to get the sexual fulfillment, because only in marriage where you can benefit from the conjugal what? Right. You're also able to obey God's commands. God said we marry. So you're obeying God's commands. The second thing I want to tackle is